Hi everybody, this is Ryan. I'm back for another video. This time I'm going to talk a little about week number 4. So here's our home screen. So let's start off by going to the modules page. And we'll go down to week 4. Okay, so here we go. So in week 4, you have part 1. In part 1, you're going to cover sections 3, 2, and 3.3. So like usual, this video I'm making right now will be posted here under introductory video. Make sure you go to the week 4 part 1 overview. Let's take a look at that. So you have quite a bit to do this week. The couple things I want to point out to you is that you will have your midterm exam due the second half of the week during part 2. It's due by the 27th, and you'll take it with the respondus. If you haven't done your respondus sample exam yet, please get that done so you make sure it's going to work. You'll have an engagement activity this week during this part. You'll need to watch the videos, take notes, complete the homework on 3.2 and 3.3 and 8.1. The big thing again, we have our midterm coming up this week. Here's that video that I talked about. We watched that video. I'm trying something a little different this week. Hopefully you like it. Here's your engagement activity. Make sure you get that done. Here's some videos that you can watch about 3.2 that you need to watch. So then let's get down here. So here's your homework. Make sure you get this done. So as far as your assignments, those are due by the 25th. Now your midterm is coming up and is due on Friday the 27th. Here's that sample exam doing respondus. Make sure you get that done. If you've already done it, you can disregard it being here. But if you haven't done it, it needs to be done as soon as possible. Here's your midterm and final exam response information. I'll click on that. For the midterm, you're allowed to have a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper for notes, cheat sheet, whatever you want to call it. You have 90 minutes. You can print off this formula sheet and use it as well. The formula sheet is what it looks like. You can use this formula sheet on the midterm. Then the study guide is a great tool to prepare. It's very similar to your midterm, so make sure you're taking some time to get that done before you take your midterm exam. Then part 2 is all about your midterm, and it's due the 27th. Make sure you get it done. It's taken on respondus. It's online. We're not going to do anything at a testing center. It's just you're going to get on here, take it online. Very similar to what you currently do, except for you got to go through respondus. So try that sample respondus exam if you haven't done it. I see most of you have done it. There's a few who have not, so that needs to be done as soon as possible. And then right here is where you click to take your midterm exam. Hope everything works out for you. If you have questions, please let me know. Have a good week. Bye.